Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Vivo's smartphone Vivo Y20. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, SSPA, LTE, and the phone has memory space of 64GB with 3GB of RAM. The phone is coming in two colors, and the two colors are down white and nebula blue. The USB has micro USB 2.0, USB on the go. Display has IPS LCD, capacitive touchscreen, 16 million color. Display size is 6.151 inches and 81.4% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.47 into 3.00 into 0.33 inches and weight 192 gram. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset Qualcomm SM4250, Snapdragon 460, and the CPU is getting octa-core, 4 into 1.8 GHz Cairo 240 and 4 into 1.6 GHz Cairo 240. You can get the sensor in the phone or fingerprint, side mounted, accelerometer, proximity, and battery is lithium polymer 5000 mAh, non-removable with capacity of fast charging 18 watt. As always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound with 3.5mm jack. You get the main camera triple, 13 megapixel plus 1.8, 26mm wide. Second one 2 megapixel plus 2.4 macro, and third one 2 megapixel plus 2.4 depth. Video type facility at a maximum of 1080 pixel, 30 frames per second, and get a selfie camera single 8 megapixel with plus 2.0. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Vivo Y20 model. Those who like to use medium range smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Vivo, he can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.